Welcome back to another VFX tutorial, and today we're gonna do some fun stuff with the effects layer. So basically we got our player, which is this green dude, and then for example he's pressing a button and freezing time. So this is a pretty sweet effect if you just want to do a little bit of bullet time, slow time, or even freeze time, or I don't know, time reverse. And then for example you just desaturate, because this is what it is, the background layer, and of course you can freeze and so on. So basically this is very quickly shown. There's not too much magic in here. Basically what we are doing is having a room, then an effect layer which is sitting on top of the enemy. So here are our enemies, and of course the rest which is important is above the effect, and then we just take the effect and then say desaturate, and of course you can go with a very high value if you like, or for example a little bit less, so it's not as hard, but this is of course up to you. And then for example at the very beginning we disable the effect, and then we just go visible layer, off, on, off, on. This is basically the whole spiel. So for that we have our player, and then we just press a key, and then we just check like, hey, is this layer visible? Then we just say like, hey, if visible, if layer get visible, then the name of the layer, so this is called effect, and then for example if it's 0, then we say like, alrighty, let's activate it. And basically this is the same code, almost the same, but we don't get, we set. Here we need to close it, and then this thing needs one parameter, because here layer ID visible, and then we just say like, alrighty, let's set it to visible. And of course we got the reverse version. For example, if it's already active and you say like, hey, press the control button because this is the one which we are using, then we just do the same stuff and deactivate it again. This is the whole spiel. So once again we start it, and this is basically it. As you can see, boom, our player running around and then pressing control, and then we just desaturated the background layers and the enemies. And of course the enemies have some code which is then saying like, hey, direction speed is 0, and then we can reactivate. And then as you can see, we kind of have a slow time, a bullet time, or even a freeze time with just a few with just one button press. And this is basically it. So here once again, this is just for you how you could kind of imagine how to do such a system in GameMaker Studio with the VFX layer. And of course the rest is then up to you how you want to do that. Do I want to show the code? Not really. So if for example if we just go into the enemy, we just have in our player time frozen. For example, if it's not frozen, then we have an image speed and a speed value, and these things are getting set to 0 if the world is in quotations frozen. This is just basically the whole thing which I'm doing here. So hopefully that was an inspiration for you guys, and see you in the next video tutorial. Have a good one. One up indie.